One of the things we do every day for our customers is moss removal. Moss removal is very important to keep your roof looking nice and maintain your manufacturer's warranty. The best way to remove moss is, of course, to never have it grow in the first place, and that's where your maintenance plan would come in. But if in fact you have moss, there are things that you need to know. The first thing is moss actually roots in the granules of your shingles. Shingles are real simple. There's a fiberglass mat, there's asphalt put on top of the mat, and then granules, the little colored rocks, are put in the asphalt, which protects the asphalt from the sun. It's also what gives your roof its color. So when that moss grows, in essence, what it does is it roots itself in those granules, and when you take that moss off, no matter what you do, those granules are coming off with it. It's important that you keep those granules in place. At Guardian Roofing, we use a two-step process. We put an organic biodegradable detergent on the roof. We let it sit there for a bit, loosen up the moss, loosen up the algae, and then we use a high volume, low pressure rinse to remove all of the moss and all the dirt from the roof. It's very important that we talk about high volume and low pressure. Our washers only operate up to 900 PSI, but they move 10 gallons of water a minute. A typical washer that you buy at Home Depot only moves about 1.5 gallons of water a minute, but operates at 1600 to even 2400 PSI. So basically they're taking a ton of pressure and shooting a little bit of water with it. At Guardian, we use a whole bunch of water and only a little bit of pressure. This is a way that we've found that we can get your roof looking nice while doing the least amount of damage. So if you have moss, call Guardian today for a gentle roof cleaning.